our drawing class. Our topic for today is flower. So let's start. In our drawing class today, our topic is flower. So let's start. First you have to hold your drawing book in a vertical way. Okay, keep it in this way, vertically, and then write the date here, which is 22nd 1 2021, and our topic is flower. So you have to write the topic here, which is FLOWER. This is done. Now let's draw a flower. Make a small circle. A small circle. Fine. Now we have to draw the petals. So this way you can draw petals. A flower is ready. Now you have to draw a stem for the flower. And now the leaves. I've drawn one leaf on the right hand side and another leaf on the left hand side. So these are the leaves of our flower. Now let's color our flower. So what color do you like the most? I like pink color. So I'm going to color my flower using a pink crayon. So the petals of the flowers, I'm using a pink crayon to color it. First draw an outline and then fill the colors inside. Now the next petal. Here also I first drew an outline and then I started filling the colors inside the petal. Now the third flower. Now the last petal. So here I have finished coloring my flower. I finished coloring my flower. Now I am taking an orange color and I will fill the color here. You can make designs using this way. Okay. Give an outline using that orange color so your flower looks pretty and beautiful. like this. And now what next? We have to color the stem and the leaves. For the stem, I am using a dark green color. This is my stem and the leaves. Now let's color the leaves. Again, first draw an outline and then we have to color the leaves. Now you can fill the color inside. You can use light strokes and fill the color inside the leaves. Now the second leaf. So children, I have finished coloring the leaves and the flower. So hope you like this activity and you need to practice this so that you can make beautiful flowers. Okay. So this is your activity for the day. That is all for today. Thank you.